Is hydrogen peroxide safe and effective for cleaning my dog's ears?
Hey there, pet lovers! Welcome back to our channel, where we provide valuable information to help you take care of your furry friends. In today's video, we'll be discussing the topic of using hydrogen peroxide for cleaning your dog's ears. Many pet owners wonder if hydrogen peroxide is a safe and effective option for this purpose. So, let's dive in and find out.
Understanding hydrogen peroxide.
Hydrogen peroxide is a commonly used household product known for its antiseptic and disinfectant properties. It's often used to clean wounds and as a cleaning agent in various applications. However, when it comes to using hydrogen peroxide in your dog's ears, caution is advised.
Potential risks and dangers.
While hydrogen peroxide may be safe for certain uses, it is not recommended for cleaning your dog's ears. Here's why. 2.1 Irritation and discomfort. Hydrogen peroxide can cause irritation and discomfort to your dog's delicate ear tissues. The ears of dogs are highly sensitive, and the use of hydrogen peroxide may lead to inflammation, redness, and pain. 2.2 Damage to ear canal. The use of hydrogen peroxide can also pose a risk of damaging the delicate structures of the ear canal. If the hydrogen peroxide is not properly diluted or if it enters deep into the ear canal, it can cause harm and potentially lead to more serious issues. 2.3 Killing beneficial bacteria. Another concern with using hydrogen peroxide is that it can kill beneficial bacteria that naturally reside in the ears. These bacteria help maintain a healthy balance and prevent the overgrowth of harmful microorganisms. Disrupting this balance can result in ear infections and other ear problems.
Safer alternatives for cleaning your dog's ears.
Fortunately, there are safer alternatives for cleaning your dog's ears that are recommended by veterinarians. Here are a few options. 3.1 Veterinary ear cleansers. Veterinary ear cleansers specifically formulated for dogs are widely available. These products are designed to safely and effectively clean your dog's ears without causing harm or discomfort. They help remove dirt, debris, and excess wax while maintaining the natural balance of the ear. 3.2 Consult your veterinarian if you're unsure about the best way to clean your dog's ears or if your dog is experiencing ear problems. It's always a good idea to consult your veterinarian. They can provide expert advice and recommend suitable products or treatments based on your dog's individual needs. In conclusion, hydrogen peroxide is not recommended for cleaning your dog's ears due to the potential risks and dangers it poses. Using hydrogen peroxide can cause irritation, damage to the ear canal, and disrupt the natural balance of the ears. It's best to opt for safer alternatives such as veterinary ear cleansers and consult your veterinarian for guidance. Remember, your dog's ear health is important, so always prioritize their well-being. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.